from the brave. Cowards think fools they crave. Comfort fades when storms rise. Challenge calls me, it's Christ. Stand tall, don't close your eyes. Controversy, no disguise. Masculinity, strength and might. In the dark we fight for life. Unity makes us strong. Together we belong. Soldiers' strength in team they find. Hearts and minds are all intertwined. No lone path in the fight. In each other we see the love. Powerless need a shield from the powerful battlefield. Governments for sacred ties protect the weak. They ask. Masculinity, strength and might. In the dark we fight for life. Unity makes us strong. Together we belong. Together we belong. Powerless need a shield from the powerful battlefield. Governments for sacred ties protect the weak. They ask. Masculinity, strength